Hi, this is Elisa with WTI. Are you ready for this very cold winter? I am. Something that has really helped me stay warm is the CC Unisex beanie. I really like their quality. It's not only very vivid color, but it's so comfortable, and the fact that the material is acrylic, it avoids my forehead from getting very itchy. I also like the knitting. It's just beautiful all the way around, and the fit is ideal. Not too big and not too small. Also, when you see the inside of it, you're gonna see that the lining is fussy, which really allows my head to stay warm for as long as I'm outside. I so appreciate this company since they have good quality items. I would definitely buy another of these, or I would even give it to a friend or a relative. They're so high quality and I really recommend them. And that is just my point of view.